Oh my god.
All right.
Oh my god.
Don't do that at Grandma's house, please.
I've got it! This was one of the things that I wanted! Now I don't have to buy it!
Not yet, not yet.
Are you
That's what
excited?
Christmas is all
What
about.
is it?
It's a little
Full-
Barbie thing! Barbie house! This is one of the things that I wanted! Now I don't have to buy it!
Oh my gosh. So how good did Santa do this year?
She has soap!
She has soap? And you're excited about that?
Yeah, she has soap and she has food and she has a TV and then like a cooking baking.
Okay, well we're happy for you. Hang on, Sissy's gonna open
I'm
hers.
helping this thing.
Does she have Barbie toilet paper?
Yeah, she has Barbie toilet paper. How
Where?
would you
Show
want
it.
All right, Sissy.
Exactly.
What did you get?
It's a Team Iowa sweatshirt.
You excited?
Oh, bam.
Oh, bam.
Those are your sweatpants.
Now you got the sweatpants.
Oh, bam.
Nice.
Does this have any Barbies in it? Or
All right.
Touchdown. I thought that was basketball.
Bam, touchdown.
What do you got
Oh my
going?
god, guys, I got a box. Yeah. Just kidding. Ow. Oh my god. It's a sweatshirt.
Go from total excitement to, oh, it's a sweatshirt.
I got it!
That looks
Oh my God.
darling.
It's
Do you like it?
inside.
It is fuzzy inside.
Having troubles. I already said go.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my god, it's fake.
No, it's,
That's a real $100 bill.
Not.
yeah, it actually is.
Seriously.
Next year, I'm giving you Monopoly money. $500
No
worth.
joke real.
That is no joke real.
This is $100?
That's what we, yeah,
Like, oh my god.
decided to get you.
I'm gonna spend it all on one thing right now.
I can only imagine,
Oh my
Logan.
god, now I can buy what I want!
I
Yeah,
know.
your guys'
looks
new
fake.
room in the new house costs you $100.
Yeah.
Seriously, it looks fake. I didn't know money was blue.
Yeah.
was funny because
Well, it's the new hundreds.
Oh, it's fake.
This is fake.
I'm so doing
No,
that
it's
next
the
year.
new-
What is this blue thing on it?
It's a security strip. It's
Don't take it off.
Okay.
But seriously, I have $100! I'm rich!
Yeah, then she rips it in half. And then she accidentally rips it in half. Dad, I'm rich!
God, you guys are such a screwballs. So apparently Santa did well.